Hello, everyone. My name is Ariana Brown, and today I will be presenting my final presentation on how to solve social issues as I become an elementary school counselor. Um, so why school counseling, you might say? Becoming a school counselor allows me to guide the youth in the right direction to help create a brighter future for them. Most importantly, most children need a trusted adult they can confide in when they are feeling confused or lost. And I want to be that adult that they can trust and who they can count on when their parents are not there. Young people are bright, and this job is perfect to help give them the push towards the right direction and becoming amazing individuals with self confidence. Connecting to course content. Being a school counselor, I might experience issues with families living in different social classes. Social class creates class division, controls movement of people through a system of social stratification. Here's a scenario. Families who are lower class might not be able to afford school fees, after school programs, and other extracurricular activities for their children. Then on the other hand, we have upper class students who can possibly afford more things than others can't. This can cause conflict between students and or mental problems, which can affect their academics and their life goals. And if you look to the right, you will see a representation of college entries of the different social classes. And if you look to your left, you will see that the poor social class has the lowest percentage of college entries. This connects to our sports and class lecture because due to social stratification, it makes it hard for students to have social mobility because of the child's social class. Social stratification is the allocation of individuals and groups according to various social hierarchies of differing power, status, or prestige. Social mobility is the movement of individuals, families, or groups through a system of social hierarchy or stratification. So these two things can relate to students because if they aren't able to have a successful education, they aren't able to find a good paying job to, you know, live their daily lives. And this can create a lot of barriers mentally and physically. My solution. You have a problem, I have a solution. Um, The content for KMP 111 has made me aware of the struggles the youth might face because of their social class. It gives me insight on how to navigate the feelings they have been experiencing in their school and personal life. This will help me connect with the students to figure out ways to find a solution to their problems. Me. Specific strategies to solve this problem. To solve this issue, I will be understanding of the student's circumstances regardless of what their social class is. I will be able to get to understand the student for who they are with considering their social class to provide better resources for the student to be successful in their work and personal life. Um, I will also try focusing on implementing more after school activities that are beneficial for all students, regardless of their parents' income, because sometimes after school programs aren't, um, you know, available for families with low income. And I would like to provide more after school activities so it's affordable for everyone. And I will also create yearly surveys to gain students' input on ways to improve the school and their communities, because it's always good to go to the source, the root of the issue, and the people who deal with the root of the issue every day to figure out ways we can improve it and make it better. Well, that's all that I have, and I hope you guys found this PowerPoint beneficial. Yeah, thank you for watching.